Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to go over a few ways that I do leaf removal. One of the ways I do leaf removal is I'll blow all the leaves over to the curb if they have some kind of city leaf collection. Another way I do leaf removal is I'll actually blow all the leaves together and then bag them. If I have a place to actually dispose of the leaves. And this is the third way I do leaf removal. Is what I'll do is I'll blow all the leaves into one section. After I blow them into one section, I'll mulch them up with a lawnmower. So this is the Echo 9010 blowing leaves. Just trying it out this year. It's actually the most powerful blower I've ever used. I really like it so far. It's really good, high quality. As you can tell, it's pretty loud. That's probably the only drawback of this blower is the fuel usage and how loud and noisy the blower is. But it blows leaves really well. As you can tell, these are maple leaves. These are wet maple leaves, which is probably one of the hardest leaves, I think, to remove and blow around. They don't like to travel very far when you do blow them, but as you can see, this blower has no problems blowing them. A pile, what I do is I just run a mower over them. This mower has a chute blocker on it where you can actually open it up so it can side discharge like it is right there. And as I turn around, I'll close the discharge chute so it becomes a mulching mower. Instead of blowing the leaves back over to where I already mowed, right now it's in mulching mode. As you can see, it mulches them up. It's not the best in the world, but it does get the job done. As it turns around here, I open the chute back up and I'll discharge the leaves back over to a pile again. And just keep going over them about 3, maybe 4 times until it's very fine particles. And as I go over the yard numerous times, like I said, right now I've got the chute blocker closed. As I turn around again to go the other direction, I open up the chute blocker so that way it disperses the leaves a little bit more equally, and there isn't such a big clump of leaves in one area. So now the chute blocker is open. It's really, really fine particles where you can hardly see right now. As you can tell, looks a lot better than what it did before. Coming this direction, once again, don't want to blow them over what I just did. So the chute blocker is closed, and now I'm going to open up the chute blocker again and push it out. Just keep pushing them away into one area.